Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So for today's video, I'm going to be installing my new taillights. I already have had these on, as you can see. I have had them on already for like a month-ish, but this one had a problem and actually just got my new ones in the other day. So this is kind of like reinstalling them, and I actually did film a video, but that video's disappeared. It's gone. My laptop is like broken right now, so yeah, I'm just gonna redo it now and also kind of give my review on them since I have had them for a while, kind of like a month-ish or more. So basically what happened is the right tail light there was a leak in it, so when it rained it got filled with water. It was fine until it rained. There was no condensation in it, so I was like, okay, nothing's wrong, like the gaskets are fine, but there was a leak on it, so water got in it when it rained. So I emailed FT86 and they did send me new ones. So I'm just gonna replace both of them and I don't know, I'm just gonna keep them just in case anything does happen again to them. I have the right one right here that I just took off. I did have them on even though it had like a leak in it, but it hasn't rained since then, so I've been very lucky. I did just kind of like put up the stock ones. You can kind of see like a before and after. I don't want to like show it down because my address is on there, but it comes with this. I already have seen this obviously, but just in case. It just talks about to make sure that the gaskets are like aligned properly. Yeah, this is what they look like. So this is the before, official before taillight. Oh my god. This is the old one. I'm going to quickly put that one on. Sorry the ugly background, but I'm going to show you guys how to do it now. Okay, so that literally goes like that, and then I just used a flathead screwdriver to take it out. This thing, you can just use a flathead as well. We grab this and take it out. I'm telling you, I'm not a great explainer. Oh my god, of course my camera stopped recording when I got it off. Okay, I got it off. Here it is. Oop. And then the other side had one of these. I don't know if you can see, yeah, back there. And now just take off the fours. There's 4 back there as well. So you're gonna grab your 8mm, and we're gonna take this out. We're just gonna, there we go. I'm gonna clean this little hole. It's not that dirty because I haven't had them on for that long. There's just leaves now. I just put my hand in the other side like this and grab the wires. Ow! I just pinched myself. To put them back on, you literally do everything you did to take them off. When I'm doing this, kind of push on the taillight from back here so it can be as in as it possibly can. Plug it in and you're done. And you'll see right here that there's like an on and off switch, and to be sequential or non-sequential, obviously I'm gonna keep it on. Yeah, so now I'm gonna put these little things back in those. But I just kind of tuck it in there. It kind of just goes in. I'm gonna tuck it all in to this. Now you put the little clip back. If you don't. So they are both on now. This is what they look like up close. It's kind of bright outside, so I'm gonna try and film later when it's like darker so you can see both. Put it in the other way. The next day, as you can tell, I'm in the car, but I just realized, and I never gave like a review or my thoughts on them. I really like the taillight. I think they make the back of the car look really good and just better in my opinion than with the stock taillights. Can't really say for their durability because I haven't had them for that long, but I think they'll be fine. But if for some reason they like give me problems later on, I will try and do like an update type of thing on it. So the taillights that I got have a black housing with a clear lens and a red LED strip, and the ones I originally wanted to get are the CBW ones, which is a clear lens, black housing, and a white LED strip. But I believe they're still sold out or like on back order, and I just didn't want to wait for them. But I think I ended up liking these ones better than what the white ones would have looked like, so I'm really happy I got these ones. Also, I got them from FT86 Speed Factory. I think they changed their name to FT Speed now though, but I'll still leave them linked down below because I don't know. Their customer service was really great. They helped me out when I told them about the problem with my right tail light, about the whole water situation. They helped me out. They were really fast about it and really nice about it, so I really appreciate that. If you're thinking about getting these taillights, I think you should. They look really good, and I know a lot of people have them already, and they're kind of the basic taillight for like an aftermarket taillight for the FRS, but I think there's a reason for that. I think they're one of the best looking ones. I know there's other ones that I liked as well, but I don't know. I just really like the look of them, and I like the sequential turn signals of them. So yeah, all I need is just the fourth brake light that matches it because it does kind of look ugly without it, but it's fine. I'm trying to see if there's any other updates on my car. There hasn't really been anything much. I just got some visors for my car. I don't know if you guys saw it in like my little demo of the taillights. So I have an HKS single exit exhaust. I didn't film a video on it. That was like one of the very first things I did, I'm pretty sure. But now I have a hole where the second tip would have came out, but it didn't bother me at first, but now that I look at it from like the outside, it kind of looks ugly. So I do have a cover for it now. I just haven't put it because I need to get screws for it. So I do have other plans that I want to do with my car, but like I said in my other video that I don't like to say just in case it doesn't happen, but if I do anything else and you guys want to see, let me know. Or if you guys want to see a specific video, then let me know as well. And yeah, I don't know if I covered everything. I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and I'll see you guys in my next one. Bye.